I want it to get to here. And I've drawn a little line here to help remember. Half a turn. Now the last person who used this did not purge the valves, but usually when you get to it, let me just purge that valve for a second. Release the pressure on my regulator. There we go. This is basically how much fuel is left in the cylinder, and this is how much pressure will be coming through. So in order for me to increase pressure that is going to be coming out of my torch, I'm going to have to adjust the regulator. I'm going to open up the knob on my torch handle for the acetylene or the fuel. Just open it up. Don't worry about how big it is yet. And I'm going to adjust the regulator here. I'm going into plus. You can see plus or minus. I'm going plus, and I'm going to increase it to about 6 psi. There we go. We're at 3, 4, 5,